Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to change months on YNAB. To change months in YNAB, there are a couple of steps you can follow. The first one is automatic rollover. Open the YNAB application and at the top of the screen right after you log in, you will be able to see the month that you are currently in. YNAB automatically rolls over to the next month when the new months begin. You do not need to do anything, it happens seamlessly. Your current month is displayed at the top of your budget screen. When the new month arrives, it will switch to the next month. But you can also manually navigate months by simply tapping on the current month at the top of the screen. Simply tap on the little drop down and then tap on the next month or the previous month you would like to change to. And that is how you will be able to change months on YNAB application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.